Hi guys, hope you're doing well. So हमें काफ़ी सारी requests आई हैं to talk about the current TD issue that has been going on. Everyone saw his last video that was uploaded and he ended up deleting it within like 14-15 hours of publishing it. So yeah, we're gonna talk about it. We have to grab something to eat. मेरे को पता नहीं exactly हमने खाने के लिए क्या लेना है. She's gonna be deciding the place today, so let's see.
Hi guys.
So yeah, everyone's been asking about it and here we are. We're gonna talk about the TD video that got posted, जो post हुई थी and within like 14-15 hours उसको delete कर दिया गया था. And right now, where are we?
We're in Kokitlam
Okay.
and we're here because I had to actually get my permanent jewelry done.
Nice.
And मुझे बहुत टाइम से जाना था.
तो चलो, let's see if they let us record it or no, and we'll try to show you as well.
One as well, but mine's hidden behind my ear.
Oh. Or I could do initials. I'll show you both.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna do the weld, so just don't look at it. Here we go. That one's all
Done.
So, how was it?
Amazing. I love it. It's so beautiful.
Can you show?
Yeah, I think
थोड़ा ऐसे like you'll have to show from past, right?
I would say that.
But I'll add a few shots मतलब
Yeah.
उसमें. The dog was very cute.
Very. I liked her. I wanted to take her home. The movie that I've seen the most. I know it's very unnecessary information. आपको क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
नहीं मेरे को पढ़ रहा है, मैं सुन रहा हूँ.
नहीं उनको. So I'm a very big film fanatic. Cinephile that people call, like ऐसे अपने लोगों की terminology होती है. But I would say that मेरे को Bollywood बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है.
नई वाली टेस्ला मॉडल
अच्छी लग रही है.
पीछे से अजीब नहीं
पीछे
लग
से
रही.
हाँ थोड़ी सी
बड़ा
मेरे
मतलब
ऑफ लग रही है.
पीछे से ना वैगनआर टाइप कर दी. कुछ भी.
I think बट यही अगर ब्लैक में होती क्या कहते हैं परफॉर्मेंस होती एंड वही रेड कैलिपर्स वगैरह जो भी होते सब
Shape-
फिर भी बेटर लगता.
आपकी वो कल मैंने आपको RS6 दिखाई थी उसमें.
I'm someone who consumes content. I devour content on a daily basis. कुछ भी हो मतलब कोई YouTube वीडियो हो, कोई आर्टिकल्स हो, कुछ बुक्स हो, anything. I just need content. Like I need to keep myself engaged with content. So I know ये हम नहीं डाल रहे, but
नहीं डाल देंगे.
okay. So here we are. We're here to address what's been happening with TD and the video that he ended up deleting. हमने सोचा नहीं था कि हम करेंगे ये, but
We got a lot of requests to
Yeah.
basically cover this topic. Starting off with, why do we think the video got deleted? Number one, because of us. Okay, जो response उस पूरी video पे मिला है, I'll categorize TD's videos for you. In general, whatever views he gets from his postings, he gets about 200 to 250 comments on a general basis. But that sole video that had posted itself, within 15 hours, जब तक 15 घंटे हुए थे उस वीडियो को पोस्ट करे हुए, he had already received almost 1,000 comments. Yes, 1,000 comments से हम अपने opinions वहाँ पर already दे चुके थे. तो of course कुछ लोग उसकी वीडियो भी बना रहे होंगे and we're not the only ones. Clearly उस वीडियो में जब हमने देखा that TD had been living over there for 2 days, Sandra खुश नहीं थी with the fact कि पूरा resolution वाला scene या scenario जो भी discussion होनी है was getting done in front of a camera.
and I'm very sure कि हम ये नहीं कह रहे हैं that was the only discussion they had. probably और भी बातें हुई होंगी, but जितना memory serves us, like because obviously this is the second video that he deleted within 20 days. This one was another level. Like I know हम भी पहले बोल रहे थे कि मतलब उसको मत हेट दो, एंड अभी भी नहीं कह रहे हैं कि हेट दो किसी को,
नहीं, but I feel like ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया.
ये I mean in a couple of scenes from that video, if you guys noticed and if you remember, he, whenever Sandra said that please don't put that cut, she has said cut, he has seen that. चलो लेट्स से कि उसको उस मोमेंट में नहीं लगा कि वो चीज़ कट करनी चाहिए यार, बाद में तो एडिट करते हुए कर सकता था. he has put that cut too, and then for the next 3 or 4 seconds he
He's
has
zooming in.
into
I
Sandra's
remember
face,
that.
and she's just sitting
Yeah.
like that.
That this should not have been recorded. दूसरा, I feel like ठीक है, personal problems आ रही हैं, situation is not working out. वो लोग counseling लेने की भी सोच रहे हैं professionally, which is a very good thing, and it is a very good step towards, you know, maintaining a healthy family balance for even Jedu. But right now, जब भी वो Jedu के future के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, as to responsibilities क्या होनी है, उस टाइम पे आई थिंक मेरे को सैंड्रा की साइड से ज़्यादा इनपुट सुनाई दिया. अदरवाइज शी वॉज बीइंग वेरी क्लोज्ड ऑफ, वो बहुत साइलेंट थी, वो ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दे रही थी. एंड आई एम अ वेरी लविंग सब्सक्राइबर ऑफ TD फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, बट आई फील लाइक उसको नोज पिकिंग हैबिट बिल्कुल भी नहीं मेंशन करनी चाहिए थी पब्लिक के सामने. चाहे किसी की कोई भी हैबिट हो, हम सबकी कोई ना कोई आड़ी तिरछी अजीब आदत होती है, which is fine.
And you know funny part ये है कि सैंड्रा ने नहीं मेंशन करी है, उसने खुद करी, and he spoke about it for like 4-5 minutes, and a lot of people have called him out on that particular thing in the comments कि भाई इतनी देर, and he's talking कि मैं यार मैं सोचता हूँ ये भी चीज़ उसको ऐसे लगती है कि एफर्ट नहीं, and she's saying no, don't mention this is like जब couples के बीच में वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें नहीं हो जाती कि यार ये मत करो वो मत करो, this is something that annoys me. उसके माथे पे ना बड़ा बड़ा DONE लिखा हुआ था, that I am done for going through such a tough time. एक तो या तो ये एक्टिंग हो रही है, if it's not acting, genuinely bro, you need to set your priorities straight. I think हमारी खुद की टोन इतनी बदली हुई towards TD इसलिए हो गई है because this was very
unnecessary, this was unwanted, and this was very awkward for most of the viewers to watch.
मैं generalize नहीं करना चाहती, but मैंने लड़कियों का जितना भी देखा है, once they are done through a relationship, एक तो their body language changes drastically,
which is something we could see in the video.
And it's like they become a little more like मतलब hands on type masculine energy आ जाती है, because they feel like, you know, they have to get everything done themselves and there's no one to count on.
You're right.
And they get emotionally and mentally done way before they actually walk out. And I feel like I could see that.
मैं एक बात बोलूं, सच बोलूंगा, बहुत सच बोलूंगा. अगर ये एक्टिंग है तो ये बहुत अच्छी एक्टिंग है.
सैंड्रा के पार्ट पे तो I would say it's like Oscar winning acting.
Like Universal Studios type material है, if it's acting. But I really don't think.
मैं तो हाइफा दूंगी उसको. I understand that he's in the public domain. He wants it's his bread and butter. But some things are just not supposed to get aired on camera.
मैं आपको रीजन इस चीज के पीछे क्लियरली दूंगा क्यों. आप मेरे को नहीं मानोगे, इट्स ओके. थंबनेल आपने देखा होगा उस वीडियो का. उस थंबनेल पे TD एंड सैंड्रा की शक्ल थी. TD के पास एक चैट बॉक्स बना था, सैंड्रा के पास एक चैट बॉक्स बना था. प्रीटी सिंपल, राइट? सैंड्रा के चैट बॉक्स में क्या लिखा हुआ था?
सैंड्रा के this cannot go on any longer like this, something like
Correct.
that.
And TD के चैट बॉक्स में लिखा था, यार मैं तो कुछ और सोच के आया था.
Correct. टाइटल ये था कि after meeting my wife I got to know कि
things are not gonna be easy.
हाँ ऐसे कुछ. Okay, I
so
mean,
it is for actually getting views, something that every content creator does on YouTube. Otherwise,
but I just think that आप अपनी wife के गले पे sword रख के नहीं करना चाहिए.
100% वो बहुत गलत है.
There's always a very thin line between real life and real life, and people should know how to separate the two.
अगर आपको पता है आप एक पब्लिक फिगर हो, आप अपने कंटेंट को अपलोड कर रहे हो, आपको ये भी पता है कि आपका कंटेंट किस तरीके से रीड किया जा सकता है आपकी ऑडियंस को.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि with him it's a pattern. जो आप जिन कमेंट्स की बात कर रहे हो वो रेशो वाज 2:100. तो मतलब बाकी कमेंट्स वर जो ज़्यादा कमेंट्स थे वो वर पॉजिटिव अबाउट हिम. दैट्स व्हाई दोज वीडियोज एंडेड अप स्टेइंग ऑन हिज प्लेटफॉर्म, राइट? द मोमेंट ही स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग हेट is the moment he deletes those videos
Correct.
or hides it or whatever he does.
आप लोगों ने 1000 कमेंट्स करी,
और हजारों में no one was taking, I would say
बहुत कम
barely.
थे.
I
जो
saw
वो
like
2:10 वाला आप रेशो, 2:100 वाला रेशो आप कह रहे हो, वो आई थिंक पूरा ऑपोजिट हो गया था.
completely opposite, and even maybe more than that, because I went through a lot of their comments, I'd say. And usme barely I saw like 3-4 comments that TD, I'm so happy for you, and those were people who probably didn't see the video because उसमें कुछ happy था नहीं उस video में. Another thing that I would like to mention is that सैंड्रा की ना और भी चीज़ें हैं demeanor wise जो शायद हमने पिछली वीडियो में mention नहीं करी थी, which I would say accounted for a very big chunk of like Freudian slips.
This basically means why we were right about our assumption.
Yeah. I mean, there's this video jahan pe he probably was showing her a room or something that he was building.
Oh, you're talking about the time जब ये इंडिया पहुंचे थे और इंडिया में लाइक टीडी का रूम देखा जा रहा था. Okay, okay, okay.
So उसमें क्या होता है that when he's showing the room to Sandra, Sandra ends up saying, "Oh, this is gonna be your room." Like, she didn't say our room, and I'm not trying to read too much into it now that everything's falling into place. It just struck my mind that was not a mistake, that was a Freudian slip. And more so I would say that like Freudian slip in the sense ke she, like जब कभी किसी के बीच में लड़ाई होती है, right, it doesn't happen all of a sudden. अगर कोई बात यहाँ तक पहुँच गई, especially after you're married and you have a child, that means it's been a pattern for a very long time for the both of them, which he also mentioned in the video he just deleted कि हमारे भी recurring patterns हैं वगैरह. I think that happens in every relationship.
Correct.
Everyone has patterns in life. So I would say that happened just out of the kind of things that they were going through. So this is not very like न्यू. हाँ, मतलब
इस चीज को काफी टाइम हो गया और टीडी खुद भी अपनी वीडियोस में वो चीज मेंशन कर चुका था. इसीलिए मैं ये कहना चाह रहा था कि हम कोई रीड नहीं कर रहे हैं इन बिटवीन द लाइंस. हम एक्चुअली उसी चीज पे अपनी इनसाइट दे रहे हैं जो चीजें बहुत टाइम से हमें क्लियरली एविडेंटली व्लॉग्स में दिख रही थी, एंड हम पॉसिबली लाइक काफी टाइम से ये डिस्कस कर रहे थे. सैंड्रा लुक्स वेरी अनहैप्पी वे बिफोर इट हैड ऑल स्टार्टेड. आई हैव गॉट अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू दो. आपको क्या लगता है, लाइक हाउ डू यू थिंक कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स शुड हैंडल देयर प्राइवेट लाइफ? लाइक हाउ डू यू थिंक दे शुड, उनको अपनी प्राइवेट लाइफ और पब्लिक लाइफ में कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करके रखना चाहिए और क्या एयर करना चाहिए? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? हाउ शुड अ बैलेंस बी मेंटेन्ड?
I would say that every person is different. People can, like, a lot of people are okay with telling everything to public, a lot of people aren't, so it can vary. But then I would also say that if you're someone who wants to air everything in detail in public, then please be ready to accept hate and commentary.
Correct.
And criticism on it, and don't like run like a coward and delete videos.
Correct.
First thing. Second thing, if you're someone who really likes maintaining balance and you're not anyways letting people know about what you're doing in general, आप थोड़े like secretive हो and अपनी private life private रखना चाहते हो, then obviously उस पे भी see, hate is something that anyways you're gonna get.
Yeah.
Because दुनिया में लोग बहुत वेले हैं. If they're not liking something, in the sense, hate can like come out of many reasons. Sometimes they're seeing someone who they thought wouldn't amount to anything, and you know that can get hate. Something like probably they wanted to do the same thing and they're not able to do it, other people are doing it, तो वो तो हो ही सकता है.
बिल्कुल.
बट किस टाइप की हेट आएगी वो बहुत डिफरेंस हो जाता है. तो आई वुड से कि जितना तुम लोग मतलब अपनी सेनिटी को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए प्राइवेट लाइफ को अपनी प्राइवेट रख सकते हो, वो रखना चाहिए, चाहे वो कोई भी हो. बट अगेन, एवरी पर्सन इज डिफरेंट.
Can I add something to it that I think is not that long? इतना लंबा नहीं है, but I think it hits right on the point and it's very concise.
Yeah.
I feel like अगर आप उन लोगों में से हो जो अपने private issues publicly air कर रहे हो, तो show both perspectives.
ठीक है.
Show both sides.
Yeah.
दोनों sides दिखाओ. That's all.
hate उस पे भी मिलेगी. Again, I'm saying that at the cost of
100%,
reputation.
100% हेट आपको किसी भी कंटेंट पे मिलेगी. आप सब्जी मंडी में जाके सब्जियां ले रहे होगे, वो कंटेंट दिखा रहे हो, या आप कोई नए एप्पल प्रोडक्ट की या कोई भी प्रोडक्ट की अनबॉक्सिंग कर रहे हो, आपको उस पे भी हेट मिलेगी. ये क्या बक्से खोल रहा है.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
राइट, जिसको कुछ बोलना है वो कुछ भी बोल लेगा.
बात तो सही है.
But at the same time, we're here to make you guys happy. We're here to actually answer the questions, and we're here to reflect on what's important, which is giving out both perspectives. And that is why I feel like Sandra का perspective निकलना पूरी videos में बहुत important था. And I would absolutely love it. I don't know if TD is going to see this or not, but one very big suggestion, if things end up working, and I really hope they do, because I've been seeing you for a very long time and I appreciate your work. However, one important resolution for you, even if after everything you still have to continue YouTube, ask Sandra to upload her perspective on the Manochas. Will help you with your income as well, and it will actually answer a lot of people's questions.
And another thing is, I do believe that
I'm actually being a well-wisher right now. I'm actually trying to say the best things that I can, because I genuinely have good intentions.
yeah, and I feel like please stop trying to get her hate.
Yeah.
Please be a man who can
One side.
actually respect their person. And I'm not saying man because like मैं कुछ gender like woman को भी करना चाहिए अपने इंसान को respect. Just
बिल्कुल.
respect your partner. That's what I'm trying to say. And please don't say things like, you know, I'm gonna go to Sandra and talk to her. Otherwise, you know, मुझे restart करना पड़ेगा. You want to talk to her because you love her. You have a child together and you want a family. Please don't say things like
You
that.
want to save your
For
family.
you?
Your family is way more important.
I would say for a person like me too, I would think about it for days on end कि यार उसने ये बोला that उसको मतलब प्यार नहीं है. He's someone who's just wanting to do this because he doesn't want to restart. He's scared of that. And
I get
I think that video is still up. It's not just any person that you're commenting on. For us, we're not related to you. But that's your wife.
Yeah.
Please.
On that note, I think we've covered up everything. Let us know in case we missed anything. We're here to actually answer everything. And yeah, on that note, मैं गाड़ी चार्ज से हटाता हूँ. It's almost at 96%, which is fine. So
Which
yeah.
is,
So I have around 485 kilometers. Good enough.
yeah.
So यार ऐसे लगे होते हैं सारे सुपर चार्जर्स और सारी टेस्लास प्लग्ड इन होती हैं. Once you're done, just plug it back in. ये सुपर चार्जर पे वापस लग गई. And yeah,
So thank you for sticking till the end. If you liked the video, please leave a like, comment, share.
we're new, so आपसे जो प्यार मिलेगा, it matters a lot. It will always matter a lot. And yeah, thank you for watching. Let us know if you need any more content on anything else, and we'll generate it towards you. Till then, see you next time.